8 ways to turn your balding situation around. Right from home. By 35, 2 out of 3 men have already noticed their hair starting to thin. So if you've been staring at your crown in the mirror lately, don't panic. Here are 8 ways to either keep as much hair as possible or make baldness one of the strongest parts of your look. Tip number 1. Use a derma roller, also called micro-needling. It's a small roller covered with tiny needles that you run over thinning areas once or twice a week. It sounds intimidating, but it's much easier than it looks. Those tiny micropunctures stimulate the scalp and help products like minoxidil or rosemary oil absorb much better, making them more effective. Tip number 2. Massage your scalp. Seriously, just 4 minutes a day can improve blood flow around your hair follicles. Some studies have shown that regular scalp massage may help increase hair thickness over time. Do it in the shower while watching Netflix or before bed. It's free, simple, and only takes a few minutes. Tip number 3. Switch to a ketoconazole shampoo, like Nizoral. But here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They lather up and rinse it off immediately. Instead, leave it on your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes while you brush your teeth or wash your face. Giving it time to sit makes a noticeable difference. Tip number 4. Pumpkin seed oil capsules. Some research suggests that taking around 400 milligrams per day may help support hair growth. It's definitely not a miracle cure, and you won't wake up with thicker hair next week. But when used consistently, it can be a great addition to the rest of your routine. Now, if you've decided not to fight genetics and would rather own the bald look, that's a great option too. Tip number 5. Learn to shave your head properly. Shave after a hot shower. Use a quality shaving gel or cream. Take your time, and always moisturize afterward. One detail that makes a surprisingly big difference is using a matte moisturizer instead of leaving your scalp shiny. A clean, well-maintained matte finish always looks more polished. Tip number 6. Wear sunscreen every day. Without hair, your scalp is fully exposed to the sun. That means it's much easier to burn, dry out, and start flaking. Daily SPF helps keep your skin healthy, protects it from UV damage, and makes your overall appearance look much cleaner and more put together. Tip number 7. Grow some stubble or a beard. It's one of the easiest ways to make a shaved head look even better. Facial hair adds balance, defines your jawline, and creates a stronger, more masculine look. There's a reason the shaved head and beard combination has become such a timeless style. Tip number 8. Finish the look with the right accessories. A great pair of glasses, a quality watch, a chain, or other subtle accessories help create a complete look. Instead of focusing on your hair, people start noticing your style as a whole. So here's the recap. If you want to keep your hair, focus on micro-needling, scalp massage, ketoconazole shampoo, and, if you'd like, pumpkin seed oil. If you'd rather embrace baldness, shave your head properly, protect your scalp with sunscreen, grow a beard, and build your style with the right accessories. Both paths can look fantastic. The only bad option is doing nothing and hoping the problem fixes itself. Let me know in the comments. Would you fight to keep your hair, or would you shave it and own the look? There isn't a right answer. There's only the one that fits you best. And if you want more simple ways to improve your style and appearance, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.